still life painting. So the texture of my arts is I only use four colors, which are the brown, yellow, blue, and black. So as you can see, my background, the texture of my background is blue, and then the main color of my base are brown, and I mixed all together the brown, the white, and the orange. So this is the mixture of orange and white and small amount of brown, and then this one is brown and white. So the challenges that I face while doing this painting is in mixing the color and also the drawing, because I'm getting confidence in drawing, hindi ko makuha. As you can see, I try my best, and the techniques that I use is in mixing color. Para mas dali mo siya mag-mix is dapat before mo siya i-painting is ihumol mo siya sa tubig para dali siya mag-blend, dili siya magpilit-pilit. So mura siya ng technique ang gamit. So far happy kayo sa ako ang painting.